Y'all, every time I take a trip, I always take my backpack when it's like a 3-day trip. And you know what? Last time I did that, I had to pay for my carry-on with Spirit. They got me. So this time, the challenge is to make sure this bad boy is flat. So I got to get all my stuff in here for my 3-day birthday trip and make sure this bad boy is flat so we don't get flagged at the airport because we don't want to pay another $100 for a carry-on. And they made me pay $100. So this time, this backpack is going to have to be as flat as possible for my birthday trip because we're not paying for no carry-on and we're not paying for no checked-in luggage. We only going for 3 days. Are we up for the challenge? We're about to see. Okay, y'all, this is what we're working with. These are all the things that need to go into my backpack. Here's the backpack. Let's open it up and see what it all can do. Okay. So this is my smallest backpack I have. I probably got 3 pink backpacks, y'all. But I'm trying to bring my smallest one because Spirit is tripping. It was tripping in Los Angeles anyway. So you can expand this and make it bigger or smaller. So look, I had to make it smaller, y'all. Look, you see how it can expand? Yeah, we got to close that back up. The good thing is we're going to Mexico and these are all the clothes I need to bring, y'all. This is like probably 5 outfits, my pajamas, underwear, 1 bathing suit. And then these are just the toiletries I have. And I have 2 flat pair of shoes. Now the challenge is going to be this purse because it's a little bulky. But I do need a purse or a backpack to take with me. So we're going to have to make sure all of this fits in here. Not just fit because it will fit. But it needs to be this flat when we get finished. Can we do it? We're going to have to because we're not paying $99 to take our carry-on onto Spirit. Or are we? Hopefully we not. The first thing we're going to do is use this little Shein number here. It came with like 8 things, y'all. And Shein stuff is so funny. Sometimes like the words only don't even make sense. It says, wish you have a colorful life. Why thank you, Shein. Why thank you. But anyway, I got it because it was probably like $3 for 8 items. And we like a $3 for 8 items. So I'm going to use this to put all my dry stuff in. So probably like my electrolytes, because we always need the electrolytes. It's like 4 left in there. So we're just going to pour that in there. Also, my vitamins. We're going to put the vitamin gummies in there. We're going to put some Advil in there. You know, if you go to Mexico, you definitely need Advil because you're going to be drinking. You're going to be drinking. That's what you do in Mexico. You drink. So make sure you bring your ibuprofen with you. And we're also going to put our extra charger in there. I want to put my fan in there, but I'm waiting for it to charge up, y'all. Hopefully it still works because we need a fan so bad. Please work. Don't let me down. I have some extra miscellaneous chargers here. I'm going to call these chargers, but you know, the cords for it. Here go another one. And what else can we put in there? I kind of want to leave my sunglasses out. So I'm going to leave my sunglasses out. But these hair ties can go in here. Y'all, we are going to Mexico for my 40th birthday. Can y'all believe it's my 40th birthday? Because I sure can. I sure can. The cords. You can put the cords in here. So anyway, I went to California for Mother's Day with my mom and my sister. And we were coming back on the Spirit plane. And they sure made us pay for our luggage. I was like, what in the Spirit is going on? Not y'all cracking down. We have gotten away with it so many years, y'all. And they finally got us. You know what? We did have a good run, though. It might have just been in California. But I'm scared now. So I'm still taking a chance, though. Because to get a carry-on for Spirit is $79 if you pay before time. And it's $99 if they make you pay for it at the gate. So it's worth the risk. But fingers crossed we haven't got to pay. Because we don't want to pay, y'all. We don't want to do it. I'm leaving this out because it's my camera case and my extra battery. So we're going to need that to be with us at all times. I'm leaving this out. My fan will probably go in here whenever it gets charged up, though. That would be nice. That would be helpful. You need to charge. I don't know if it's the charger or if it's the fan that's not working. But, girl, I need you to work. Work, girl. Or you got to stay, and that's going to be a shame. Anyway, first things packed. Got my sunglasses. And what is this? This says emergency snacks, but there's no snacks in here. It's just feminine items. So I'm going to leave that in here. It's all dusty now. it's all dirty, but only me and you'll know that, so it's fine. It's not really dirty. It's just been with me a while. I think with the feminine items, I'm just gonna put like toothbrush, and I always bring 2 toothbrushes, y'all, because that one time I had to pay $50 for a cab to go get a dollar toothbrush at the convenience store. I'll never live that one down, so I bring 2 just in case. Razor, of course. I got this comb from some hotel. Never opened it, but I always bring it just in case. Of course, you need deodorant and the travel toothpaste. And we're getting down to the nitty gritty now, y'all. Hopefully, this is the last one I need, the face wash. And I don't know if this is going to fit. We're going to put the face wash in here, and we're going to leave the deodorant to something else because it won't fit. All right, 2 done. Where are these going to go? I might just stick these like randomly in the backpack because I don't want them to spill on something. This is Aunt Jackie's hair gel. This is edge control. I need these away from the things that it can mess up. Now, let's start packing the clothes. Okay, here my pals go. Here are my pals. This is gonna go last. I should probably put the shoes in next, y'all. Hold on, let me move the clothes. I love these little backpacks. These are my Spirit backpacks, y'all. And if Spirit really cracks down, I'm just gonna start paying for carry-on luggage. I do not like checking the bag in because I hate waiting at the baggage claim. It just takes way too long every single time. And sometimes they have you at the wrong baggage claim just looking crazy. That happened to me a couple of times. Anyway, this side of the backpack, it has like a little zipper part like this. And it's just enough for these 2 pair of shoes. So we're gonna put them in here. I like these because they wrap around your leg and they make my legs look fancy. I like them. So I bought them in 2 colors. I told y'all when I like something, I buy it in every color. So I bought it in black and tan. Gonna put them bad boys here on the side. And I'm taking these because they're flat. And we need all flat stuff in our luggage this time. All right. It still feel pretty flat. We doing good. Okay, next. This is not a deep area. When you open the backpack, it gets pretty deep, but it's not deep right now. So, did I break my sunglasses? Lord, please no. Okay, it's still good, y'all. I think I just put my knee on it. Girl, what is wrong with you? You definitely need sunglasses in Mexico, girl. You need it. Anyway, let's put this over here to the side. We're going to roll our clothes because we need them to be small. And I'm going to show y'all what I got, but y'all already see my Shein haul, so y'all know. I told y'all the clothes that I wear at home, I also take on vacation. So here go the cute little outfit with the skirt and the polka dot shirt. I like it. We're going to roll it. We're going to take it. And at this point, we folded it. I don't know if it can handle a roll because it's not deep enough. It really ain't deep enough. And then we have this. I told y'all I was going to take this on vacation because it's giving vacation. With this little turquoise. I don't know if this is turquoise, but y'all get the picture, right? We love a comfortable wear. So we're just going to kind of flatten it. You see where we're going with this? Because this needs to cover this. And it just needs to be flat. I normally roll it, but we don't have too much stuff to pack. So it should be fine. We're just going to fold it a few times. And then we have this. This is giving tropical. This little short set. We love a Shein short set, y'all, because the Shein short sets, well, they used to be like $10. Now they're like $15. So, girl, things is going up. Things is going up, but it's fine. It's still affordable. So I'm just going to fold this one more time. Put it in here. So far, we got 3 outfits, y'all, and I think we just got 3 more to put in here. So I do feel good about it. I do. This one's already folded, so let's just help it out. Fold it one more time and put it in here. We're doing so good. I was only going to bring like 3 outfits, y'all, but I'm so scared to bring 3 outfits. Like, girl, even if I only put on 1 outfit a day, the fact of bringing just 3, it just scares me. Like, girl, what if? Okay, we got this one. This is also a skirt. I haven't worn this yet, so I love this. This is so cute. Such a cute color with my little white tank. Y'all already seen it if y'all see my Shein video. And if y'all haven't seen my Shein video, go over there and see it, y'all. It's hilarious. It's a good time over there. Okay, that's as flat as it's going to get. And, oh, it's giving it ain't that flat. Okay, let's see. Let's tuck it in there. Okay, not bad. Not too bad. Yeah, it's working out right. Yeah, because we only have just the bathing suit, the pajamas, and the underwear to put in here next. So this should work out. Let's see. Let's put the underwear and the pajamas on top of this. And I'm just trying to test it out, y'all. It's getting a little thick. It's getting a little thick in here. I just have one more clothing item to put in here, and that is the bathing suit. So this should work out. This should work out. Let me just open it up a little bit. Y'all, I went and tried to find a bathing suit. I went to Target. I went to Walmart. I went to Sam's Club. I could not order one off of Shein because Shein been taking a long time to get the stuff here. So, oh, you know what, y'all? I did order a couple from Shein, and they did not work out. They was too big. I don't know my size yet. They was too big, so I had to end up sending them back. But it wasn't enough time to order it again, so I hate that for me, but it's fine. I don't really get in the water like that, so it really, really doesn't matter. But just in case I do, I have this old swimsuit, which is, I think it's a size 8. I'm a size 6. It's probably a 12, y'all. Let me look. Y'all, what size is this? It's a 12. Y'all, me being a 6 and the 12 swimsuit is gonna be wild, but I tried it on and it still works out, so we gonna take it just in case we get in the water. We don't like getting in the water though, so it's fine. If we don't, it's fine. But the swimsuit was already tight, so it's kind of fitting like a swimsuit's supposed to fit, so I do still feel good about it. And if I don't feel good about it, guess what? I ain't getting in that water and I ain't gonna be mad about that either. I'm just gonna go over here and stand by the water. Yeah, we like standing by the water. But yeah, my husband is taking me to Mexico for my 40th birthday. We've been to Mexico so many times, y'all, but still, it's always a good time. So I do feel good about that. I feel pretty happy that we're going somewhere, and it's not just to like a Mexican restaurant, because number one, I love a Mexican restaurant, and I'm always there for my birthday. Not this year. This year we going to actual Mexico. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to zip this up and see how flat it is before I start trying to add everything else, y'all. I'm afraid. I'm afraid, y'all. I'm going to have to stop going on Spirit because their luggage costs so much, y'all. I'm just going to have to start taking a different airline. But one thing I love about Spirit, you are hardly going to get delayed. Most of the time, the planes are on time and they are leaving as scheduled. And that's what I love about it so much. Y'all, this looks pretty flat, huh? Look at this. Oh, we did good. We doing good. Now we just got to get these bad boys in there. Girl, what are you talking about? You haven't even put the stuff in there yet. Okay, let's try to put the stuff in. I'm scared to put it up front, y'all. I'm scared to put it up front. We need some flat stuff up front. Maybe this purse. The purse is flat. So I'm going to try to put the purse up front. Yeah. That's a good idea. Right up here up front, y'all. Look. Fitting perfectly. Just gonna zip that up, and that looks like it's a part of the backpack. It's not even bulky or nothing. I'm gonna show y'all. All my travel, it's some budget in it. Like, even if it's expensive, believe me, there was a lot of budgeting going on in between. Okay, it's giving flat still, right? It's giving, girl, just go ahead. You ain't got nothing in that backpack. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Okay, with this, I don't know where to put these. I know I can put these somewhere though, so let's do that. Let's put these up front. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna put them right up front in like the little zipping area. Okay, girl. And the deodorant, we're gonna put this inside somewhere because we don't want this poking out talking about, can you go measure your backpack in the little thing so we can charge you? Girl, go ahead with that. I don't want that. I don't want to measure it, y'all. I don't want to do it. I just want to get on the plane. Okay, let's see. It has so many zippers, y'all. I don't even know which way to go. Here we go. Look at all that room in there. It got the pockets. It has like these little pockets here too. Yeah, and you know what, y'all? I feel like this backpack was either on Shein. No, this one was an $8 Shein backpack. But they also sell these on Amazon for like almost $30. And I think it's a little bit bigger than this. But I got the smaller version on Shein one time because it was $8. And I had like 3 backpacks then, y'all. And I was like, what's one more? We're going to put the deodorant inside this little pouch thing right here. And we also going to put the sunglasses inside this little pouch thing right here. And I feel like we can put these in here. I don't know about both of them. Y'all. These are pretty bulky. Oh no! I still have to get my comb and my brush and put it in here also. But I have to comb my hair in the morning, so I can't do that right now. So that's what we're working with. So let's see. I'm just going to put this first one in here. And we're going to close it up and see if it makes a difference. Let's see. Okay. Let me lay on it, y'all. Let me lay on it. Let's see. What you doing flat, huh? Oh, that's flat. Oh, yeah, that's passing. That's passing, y'all. This, I feel like I need to free up some stuff in here, y'all. This is a little bit too bulky. So I'm going to take this out. I think just this out. Yeah, this can go solo inside the pouch somewhere. This needs to be flatter. It does. It just does. Okay, so this is probably going to go, I feel like up front. Is it going to be? No, we can't put it up front, y'all. It's the challenge of trying to get everything in the backpack. I'm not bringing my computer, so maybe I can just put it back here in the back. That's what I'm going to do. Put it right back here in the back. Yeah. Hopefully it's not bulky. Let's see. I don't know. Is that bulky? Does that look bulky to y'all? Does it? I don't know. I feel like it doesn't, y'all. I don't know, but we almost got everything in here. Let me find the spot for this. Let's see. Oh yeah, all this going in here. I'm putting this in here with the deodorant. Oh yes. And this fan, I don't even know if this fan works, y'all. It's not coming on. So I'm gonna take this and see. I'm gonna take this and see if it can charge on a different charger. If not, I guess we just gonna be hot. But I think this is the bulk of everything that I have. This has to be it, y'all. Y'all, I just thought about something. We have these. Y'all. So this can make it even smaller. These little clips. So let's do that. Let's clip them, y'all. We trying to make this compact. We do not need any eyes on us. This might work out. Okay. I wish we had one more zipper. Do we? We don't. I think that was the end of the zipper. But let's try the other side. Let's clamp that also. Because we trying to get through. I was telling Raymond, I was like, is your backpack small? Because they charging people. Now watch when we get there. They're not even going to make it a big deal. That was just California. But still, better safe than sorry. I don't want to be sorry. Okay, one more, y'all. And this going to make my backpack super little. Look. Okay. Let's try this bad boy on and see. Y'all let me know if y'all think that Spirit is going to stop me because my backpack too big. Y'all, this backpack's so light. My backpack ain't never been this light ever. It feel like ain't nothing in it. Does that look too bulky to y'all? Does that look bulky? Does that look like I'm gonna get stopped? Let me check. Look at the other side. Or does it look like just like a little kid backpack? Like, girl, go ahead. Oh, now you got to knock my TV over. Okay, calm down. Anyway, I feel like we can get through. I do. And we got everything we need, y'all. Just a little 3-day vacation, you know, just to get away, you know, have a little fun on the 40th. Ah! Y'all, I can't believe I'm about to turn 40. 40 years old, girl, why? What happened? What happened to your 20s, girl? How did you get past the 30s? I don't know. Thank y'all so much for packing with me from Mexico today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Also hit that notification bell so you know every time I post. I love y'all so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all. Why y'all let me forget the soap, though? I had to put the soap in here, y'all. I know it's going to fit, but I just had to come back and say, girl, you need soap. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.
Thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.